Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna share with you how I made this quick and easy koala bear costume for my son. He had mufti day at school in support of Australia natural fire, and all our prayers with everyone who's affected by it. So yeah, let's get started. So here I used the pictures which I found online, and then I just edited them and wrote save the koala on it. And also I go one for the ears and for the puffs. I use plain paper, but you can use card A4 paper as well if your child is a bit too rough in playing. Otherwise it will last all day. Then I got Sharpie and just trace it around to make it a bit more darker. When cutting the ears, make sure to leave some grey areas on the side, so when you're sewing it to the hat, it will be easier. My son wanted face on it, so I just cut those as well. Here I just stick this printout for shirt on the shirt with tiny stitch, as you can see, and I didn't have time to laminate or anything because it was big piece, so I just stick it as it is. So all the corners I give them tiny stitches. They worked well actually. When my son came, it was all fine and it would still stick to his shirt. For the edges sticking out, I also use little bit of tape under it. The paws were going to be on the feet, so I wanted them to be a bit weatherproof. Then I just tried to laminate it myself, as I don't have any laminator, so I used this transparent tape. I'll show you how I did it. I forgot to record, but you also need to use card or something just to scrape it to take all the bubbles out. Then it will look more darker. Using hole puncher, I'm gonna do 2 holes in each. Now I just use the elastic and tied a knot. You can adjust it according to your child's ankle area. I did the same thing to the ears, just laminated them, that way it was easy to hand stitch. As you can see, I just give them tiny stitches and then just fold it so they were flapping, and that way they looked really cute. For the face area I did the same thing. So here you go guys, that's how I made koala bear costume for my son in a very little amount of time and very cost effective. So I hope you liked my video, and please share your comments, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.
This is the video of Koala Bear.